Hooray! Hello everyone, today is an important day for those who have applied for the DV Visa Lottery. The results are being released today, and we know that many of you are eager to check them. However, we want to remind you to be cautious and aware of scammers who may try to take advantage of this situation. To avoid scams, we urge you to only check the results on the official DV Lottery website, which is the only authorized source for DV Lottery information. Do not provide your personal information or pay any fees to any other website or service claiming to have access to the results. To check the results, go to the official DV Lottery website and enter your confirmation number and other required information. If you are selected as a winner, follow the instructions provided on the official DV Lottery website to proceed with your application. If you were not selected, remember that there are other ways to immigrate to the United States, and we encourage you to explore your options. Finally, we want to remind you to be vigilant and protect your personal information. Scammers may try to contact you pretending to be government officials or representatives from the DV Lottery program. Be cautious of unsolicited emails or phone calls, and never give out your personal information or pay any fees without verifying the legitimacy of the request. Thank you for watching this important announcement. We wish you all the best of luck with your immigration journey and hope that you find this advice helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Thank you. Dr. Falcon Cares.